my beautiful people. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. My bonga people, today's topic na about Angela Okoye, you know. Sometimes I don't know what they worry this our celebrity. I don't know what they worry them because sometimes as they read they see if they interview them, the way they take they shook mouth for some kind things where they're not supposed to talk. Like the thing they surprise me sometimes, you know, because that time when they interview Toto Dike talk say a husband and so e John Thomas is small. Now so they spend only 1 minute, you know. People can't carry that thing that time, they can't quarrel with her, say now 1 minute, now you they praise that time. Now 1 minute, now he born. At least the 1 minute is he produce a pikin, you know. So I thought they surprised. So I don't know what they make them they do all those things. I don't really know why. The thing they surprise me, like the thing they shockalize me, you know, because I got the surprise. If they interview them, they'll just put out for everything. They'll just talk everything. Like see Angela on now. I get one musician at that time where they want interview. When she vex come out. I don't forget this woman. I don't know why they forget her name. She vex come out. She say no one respond. Like seriously, but they don't ask her all those things, you know. But our Tonto DK, like the rest, hey, they'll come pull band because then with the man. Because I remember I said that musician, she born, nobody know the man where he born for. They don't know whether she carry belly, whether a single mother. All of them just carry, they say they want no, but she no great respond to them. He say me they don't, he say the way he say born pikin not concern anybody. You understand? So waiting make una call her come here. Mona interview her. Then Mona ask her question, but Mona not go far to all those one. She no respond. But Santo Dike small separation that day. He don't open him mouth talk. He talk so many things, you know. Okay, that one can see that Santo Dike that time. After that one, doctor say your husband at 1 minute, your husband at this, your husband at that. Before that one now, it can still pass. So they come the interview Angela Okoye. So as they interview her, she come to say they can't ask her say whether she want remarry again. He say no. He say no want remarry again for now. He say because he ex-husband when he first marry before, in the reason now to come remarry again. Maybe tomorrow they can still break up. Like I can't be surprised. Say okay, if you remarry now, you for your mind now you they plan to break up. I've been waiting. I don't understand. If you remarry, like you they plan to break up with the person again, how you go they pray that kind of prayer to yourself? Say you don't know if you remarry, and you know what will happen for your ex, make it happen again. But now not they talk the one way una do way make una separate because I know say you with that your husband that time. So if una go together that time. Una they really like the way una they do safe. Una they do like brothers and sisters. The way to of una really fit. What to come make una separate? I know even be no say they don't separate too. As she come they talk, now I can't tell no say you mean say Angela and the husband not there again. I can say no wonder the way she can't they behave one certain time self. The thing called they shockalize me like seriously. The thing called they surprise me, you know. So I can't they wonder. What did they make all those our celebrity? Where I be say some of una husband ask no they even let una sit down put. So separation. Now so our sister beautiful any Edo. Now so that one still marry our brother at that time. Later they see separate. After she non born for dead too. You know. See Chacha will still come out that day now. That one say no they marry again. Later now that one say a mental problem that he get. Say he get a bipolar disorder. I say okay. Now bipolar that one can carry you pass bipolar. You know why be say una marriage not the evil they stay una not they stay long. Now this film wey una dey act because una don be star na dey enter una head. I be waiting. Now those things they enter una head because me I don't know the reason why it be say all the time una they always they separate. all the time. Wetin dey cause all those things for una body? Na the because say una believe say una don be star, una come dey talk to una man anyhow, una no come get respect again because una believe say after all many guys wan date all those date a celebrity now. Many guys wan date una, na dey cause am. Because me I no really know why e be say if una dey marriage, the way una take dey praise the man. If una don separate, una come dey talk bad of the man, una no come talk sweet. Like Stephanie Okereke that time too, when she marry. The same thing say happen to Stephanie Okereke. When she married too, e no still tey, e still come still leave the man. You know, why e be say this thing dey always dey happen to una? Why? Why una no dey? Why e be say this thing dey always happen to una? Una must marry 2 men or 3 men first. I no understand. Only person wey be say you see Chioma Chukwuka, that one sef just mad. Nobody know your husband. Nobody know how that woman marriage life be. She just keep everything private. Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be. I remember when Tonto Dike wan comot for Yon. I remember wetin Yon talk that time. Yon say no matter what, him beg you Tonto Dike, make you not comot because when you marry, nobody be expect say you go marry because of the way body take dey catch you. But I beg, no comot, you know. But you know, see, let that one sister stay. She still comot, you know. I not talk say if you dey marriage, we no dey okay for you. Say me you stay there, but at least when I see they like, see they use on our brain sometimes, you know. Any small thing like this, una go just comot. Any small thing, una go just comot. Now say they beat me, now say they do this, but una no go talk what una do. No woman want talk where for wrong. Now only where the man for wrong, now they talk about, you know. So you know, really, like for me, it not really make sense like that. At least maybe they use our HQ sometimes, you know. Maybe they use our brain sometimes. You understand? So like the thing they really surprise me sometimes. The way una take they live, the way una take they must you talk everything. Angela just open a mouth, don't talk everything. Hey, one begin the very soon now say you can't even go the John Thomas side. And so it's more because so na sister Toto Dike don't teach una now. So now you make me want to do this topic today just to advise una, just to advise people, you know. So the matter, oh my darling people. So thank you everybody. I don't want to make this video too long. I just want to advise our star them. Maybe they see they take amazing sometimes, you understand. So that be the thing. Thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again.
Marriage for me, I'm so scared about marriage right now.
If you have not subscribed, go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you. Bye.
Into any marriage anymore, and then get divorced again and again. No, I mean like no woman wants to ever get married, or nobody insane ever want to get married and then divorce their husband or their spouse. You understand? But sometimes issues happen, things comes up, lies and all that, you know, you just, things you're not actually ready for. So when you look at it, you just, and there are things you have in mind of building a beautiful home, building and giving birth to beautiful children with a good husband. I mean, a man that is going to be proud of you and the kids, and you grow up together. I mean, you will never want to leave that kind of marriage because I mean, like, you're happy, it's peaceful. But once it's not peaceful for you, you wouldn't want to be there.